Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Privacy over here. Following that, you need to tap on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features, like for example, Location. Then select an app. I will go with Photos and tap on one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see now, when I swipe up, Photos just gained access to my device location if I'm using this app. But you can always just pick any feature and then select one of your apps, like Google. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on See All Google Permissions. Now you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!